In a world where AI is advancing rapidly, concerns about job displacement have surfaced. If you also have the same concerns, worry not. As part of our AI series, we have brought you another video on why AI will not take over your job. In fact, how it will help you excel in your current job. Amid a lot of concerns about AI and how it can affect jobs, a lot of companies are trying to predict the future of AI. And a lot of them are optimistic that it is not here to replace us, but to work alongside us. McKinsey and Company reports that AI is more likely to complement human workers. Well, the impact of AI on jobs depends on a lot of factors. It includes the rate of advancements of AI. It's a 360-degree view. The more AI develops, the more it will be used in different areas. Second, willingness of businesses to integrate AI into their operations. If companies don't find AI useful in their operations, they won't be using it. As simple as that. Government policies. This is one of the most important factors which will shape the future. If governments around the world monitor AI closely and make policies that can balance the use of it, we will never have to worry. Societal attitude. Future of every technology depends on how society accepts it. If society is not ready for a technological change, it will probably not find its way into society. So, if you have been using AI in any way, I will leave it to you to think about each of these factors and form your own opinion. Don't forget to let me know in the comments. Moving on, let's talk about AI advancements, as a lot of things depend on this. It will probably answer the question why AI will not take over the jobs. No matter where you are using AI, you will always need humans to strategize, monitor, and control it. That means the more we use AI, the more jobs it will create. On the other hand, AI is at a very nascent stage. It's not even close to performing like a human. Not only that, we can't rely on AI for tasks that need judgment. If you talk about the most advanced language models like GPT-4, the most general feedback it has got is it is not able to perform well in a specific niche. That means it needs more training. Do we need to talk more about it? I don't think we do. Not all the concerns about AI are true. In fact, some of them are just misinformations. If you just follow some authentic sources to track the developments in AI, you will understand its true potential. There's a lot to talk about it, but let's do that in the coming videos. If you found this video useful and informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.